y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make the best sauteed shrimp and salad. This is going to be the perfect lunch or dinner idea for you. It's very healthy, it's delicious, and super easy to make. So I pulled out every vegetable that I could find in my refrigerator. I rinsed and diced everything. I'm using spinach, purple cabbage, romaine lettuce, kale, mushrooms, carrots, onions, celery, pepperoncini, tomatoes, feta cheese, and trail mix. When you make your salad, just feel free to use your veggies of choice and, make your salad as colorful as you like. I'm using my salad spinner to remove excess water from the vegetables, and then I'm going to transfer the salad to a large bowl, and I'll add the mushrooms, the tomatoes, pepperoncini. Just give this a quick toss, and then I'm just going to cover this with some saran wrap and place it into the fridge. This is 1 pound of red Argentine shrimp. These have already been peeled, deveined, cleaned, dried off. Here are my seasonings. This is 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of lemon pepper seasoning, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna drizzle a small amount of canola oil onto the shrimp, then I'm gonna toss it together, making sure that all of that oil is evenly coated onto the shrimp. And next, I will mix all of the seasonings together until they are well combined. And I'm going to sprinkle them all over the shrimp just like this. And once again, I'm going to toss the shrimp together until they are all evenly coated with those seasonings. And yours should look something like this once you're done. I am using a nonstick skillet to saute the shrimp, okay, along with a little cooking spray and about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter on a medium-high heat setting. Now, once my butter has melted completely and is sizzling, then I will pour the shrimp into the skillet. I'm going to spread it out so that it'll cook evenly. Now, if this is your first time cooking shrimp, then you probably don't know, that shrimp cooks very fast. If you overcook your shrimp, it will be gummy. Okay, so it is very important to cook your shrimp only for about 2 minutes per side. Also, you want to be sure to add about a tablespoon of canola or vegetable oil to your skillet to help prevent that butter from burning. And as your shrimp cooks, it will begin to curl up. It'll also turn pink. Okay, so after the first 2 minutes, let's go ahead and let's flip the shrimp over. And we're gonna let this cook for 2 minutes again, okay? And once the shrimp is done, let's go ahead and take it out. You wanna get that out immediately from the skillet. We can just let it cool off for a couple of minutes. And look at how delicious this looks. I mean, this was just so easy to make, y'all. I love shrimp. I don't know about you, but I love shrimp. Sometimes I feel like I don't like it, but most times I love it. I don't know. All right, so here is my spinach. I'm gonna finish building my salad now. And I always prefer to put the spinach on the bottom of the plate for some reason. Like, I never like to mix the spinach in with the other ingredients. I don't know why. That's just how I do it. But as you can see, I've added the salad on top of the spinach, the trail mix, and I'm going to add some feta cheese. I'm also going to sprinkle some salt-free vegetable seasoning on here. And this is a game changer for me. This is just going to, make the salad taste more flavorful, more amazing. And then I'm going to drizzle a little ranch dressing on top of the salad. And last but not least, I'm just going to add the shrimp on top. So if you make this, please let me know how yours turn out. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to catch you in my next one.